Hi guys, very good morning guys. Today and this blog I am exploring and this is my room. So as well is doing I am learning English, so because actually very happy on this time because and you can see guys behind, this is my room. Actually I want to share with you the who peoples want to learn English and very easy and that time. So because this is my cloth the hanged the for the cleaning and that time, so this time is very sunrise weather, so wonderful. And this time, so because actually I'm very happy. Actually this is my home, so you can see guys behind me. So this is my the very useful and there generators, so very happy right now. So here actually we are living here along with my wife, my daughter. Actually my daughter has gone to school and this time because actually I'm making video on this time, so this is my vlog. And first of all I would like to tell you guys my I have my joint family. So because actually my wife is doing the work and she is supporting me, so always thanks. And you can see guys, this is behind a lots things. And you can see guys, so very happy. Actually I am learning and English, so how to communicate and very easy. But actually that time, so because here the sunrise, wow, so weather so wonderful. And this time, so because I'm so very happy. So guys, I know that so you are learning English and your communication skill in improving and these days. So because actually your people are not speaking is very well. That's what is the reason. That is the main reason guys. So people are not practice more times, are not given them the more times. Because so what is the reasons? But actually I have done completed the when I started my English journey to totally the wrong. And the people's loving and people is enjoying with me. So actually I did not care so anything else. It is actually I have determined actually speak and English is a very well. So I will improve my English, the vocabularies and grammars totally. I have lacked that. This is only I have focused only my English journey. It was a very horrible in my life, but actually just started my English, so very improving. And these days, so guys, so without any furthers, let's get it started in this video. So people are watching and this video, so please I want to request to all you guys, please subscribe this channel. So that and this channel's created for only beginners, the who people want to learn. So guys, I'm so great happy and this is my vlog, English vlog. So actually I'm exploring and this is my room. So right now, so this is my home, so you can see guys, so very happy. And this time, so right now, so because I'm so great happy. So because I just first of all actually I woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I went for the washroom, then I come back at home right now. So because actually prepare breakfast to for my daughter. And then so I just dropped my daughter school her. So then came back at home right now. So I took a bath and then I'm the worship. And this time, so because actually I'm about to go my office and today, so because I have a lot time, so actually I don't give a more time for practice English. But even then, as soon as I get chance for practice and more practice every day. So because actually when will come at home right now, so I will practice and improve my English. So guys, please subscribe this channels for your who people want to learn. And this channel's creating and only English channels for actually I'm blogging and these days, so I'm great happy today. So and this time the sunrise and the weather so wonderful and the sky is very beautiful and this time because actually my time overall completed guys. So I will meet you the next video. Bye, take care and thank you for watching and this please keep it subscribe on this channel. Thank you, bye bye guys.